got a box. I need to go and deliver the box. Can't tell you what's inside the box, can't tell you where it's going, but I need to go and deliver it. Cash in before the house rules. Never break from the ground rules. Got too high.
For turning left down and running 23.
Echo Papa Echo, final approach on way 23.
Started in the 9, started 0 Echo.
Got some black market romance, body with a cold hand, crimes no one gets away with.
Echo final approach on way 23 for touching off.
Some sins you can't atone for.
Traffic in a special area east. Going home in the Alpha Echo Silver swing to 8 vertical miles east of Stellenbosch, currently at 5,800 feet. Continue climbing to 7,500 feet, routing to straight to George, the Alpha Echo.
Feels so weird, but there you go. I just dropped the box off. It felt super weird, but anyway, that's done, so time to head home.
Echo Mike Yankee rolling and route airborne. Actually, it's such a nice day for flying, but I don't know, that just dropping the box off felt super weird for some reason. I don't know why. But I don't know if it's the last of the box or not. We'll have to see. I'm not sure. Okay, and as if this flight's going to get so weird, Tristan said I should go and pop around because he has something for me that I need to pick up. So instead of going home, I'm just going to pop off at Tristan, which is Cretfontein, see what he's got, and then after that I'm going to shoot home because I need to get back to work. First the box, now this. I actually don't know what's waiting for me there. And I just hope I can find this field because it always like pops up on you.
So I got here to Tristan's field and he's busy washing his plane, like a good man. He's so into it, but anyway. It's not my business to mind. I saw the smoke rise, saw the ashes from the fire last night.
There is two to choose from. Daai ene of hier ene.
So does this mean we get to go and camp and take the gliders with?
Yeah, sure. Just need to give it a good wipe off and new prop and canopy and it'll be good.
Thanks, dude.
Yeah, sure.
I now have a radar control glider next to me, which Tristan gave me. So for those who don't know, I actually started flying radar control before I did full size. I gave mine to Jean, and Jean crashed it into a tree. Tristan heard that Jean crashed mine into a tree. So he's like, dude, I got two, you can come get it. Anyway, he texted me, he's like, dude, come get the glider. So anyway, I got the glider. So today's getting really weird, but yeah, let's stay at home. Like, how did I end up with a radar control glider in my airplane when I went to drop a box off that I can't tell you what's in the box.
X-ray Kilo landing will complete, vacating active, taxiing to fuel bay.
I won't say I told you so, but I just want to know where you gonna go. Right, the box mission's done. Maybe I'll explain one day, but I suggest you like and subscribe. And maybe you'll find out one day where the box is and what's happening with the box and what the deal was with the box. Anyway, I need to get packing, get back to it. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Like.